Success. It's something we all seek in life. It's something we all desire, something we aspire to achieve. And yet, many find themselves wandering through life without fully understanding how success works. They wonder why success seems so elusive, why it's just out of their reach. Well, I'm here to tell you that success is not a distant dream. It's not something that happens by chance. Success is a result, and it's a result of how you think, how you act, and how you approach life. The law of attraction, my friends, is the secret to unlocking that success. You see, the law of attraction is not some mystical concept. It's not some esoteric idea. It's a principle, a universal truth that governs the universe. It's simple. What you focus on, you attract. What you think about, you bring into your life. It's as simple as that. But let me tell you, while the concept is simple, its application requires understanding and discipline. You don't attract what you want in life, you attract what you are. Now, I know that sounds a bit like a riddle, but let me explain. You see, if you're constantly focused on negativity, if you're always thinking about what's going wrong in your life, guess what? You're going to attract more negativity. If you're always worried about failure, guess what? You're going to attract more failure. But if you focus on success, if you focus on your goals, if you think about what you want in life with conviction and clarity, then you're going to attract the opportunities and the circumstances that will lead you to success. The first step in attracting success with the law of attraction is changing your mindset. You've got to shift your thinking. You've got to stop thinking like a failure and start thinking like a winner. And let me tell you something, my friends, winners don't beg for attention. They don't sit around waiting for someone to notice them. They don't wait for an opportunity to knock on their door. No, winners create their own opportunities. They go out and they get what they want. Success doesn't come from sitting around wishing for things to be different. Success comes from taking action. And that action starts with your mindset. The thoughts you think every day shape your reality. If you want success, you've got to think like someone who is already successful. You've got to think like someone who is already on top of their game. Because when you think that way, when you believe that success is your destiny, your actions will follow. I remember Jim Rohn once said, "You don't get paid for the hour. You get paid for the value you bring to the hour now." Think about that for a moment. It's not about the time you put in, it's about the value you provide. And the only way you can provide value is if you believe in your own worth. If you believe that what you have to offer the world is valuable. If you believe that you are capable of achieving greatness, then you will bring that energy into everything you do. But here's the thing, you can't just think about success. You can't just think about your goals. You've got to act on them. You've got to take massive, consistent action. Success is not a passive endeavor. It's not something that happens to you. It's something you create. You've got to take control of your life, and you've got to start making things happen. That's where most people get it wrong. They think that success is something that comes to them. They wait for the right moment, for the perfect opportunity for everything to fall into place. But that's not how it works. The moment you start waiting for the world to hand you success is the moment you stop moving forward. You can't wait for permission. You can't wait for someone to recognize your potential. You've got to go out and make your mark. You've got to go out and show the world what you're made of. Jim Rohn once said, "The major key to your better future is you, and that's the truth." If you want to change your life, if you want to attract success, it starts with you. It starts with your thoughts, your actions, your belief in yourself. If you want to be successful, you've got to own it. You've got to claim it. You've got to say to yourself, "This is my time. This is my moment. I am worthy of success, and I will make it happen." But it's not enough to just believe in yourself. You've got to take action. You've got to put in the work. You've got to be willing to do whatever it takes to make your dreams a reality. And here's the thing, success doesn't come easy. It's not handed to you on a silver platter. But that's what makes it so valuable. The struggle, the effort, the persistence, that's what makes success worth having. If it were easy, everyone would have it. But only those who are willing to work for it, to push through the obstacles, to keep going when it gets tough, those are the ones who attract success. You've got to develop a relentless attitude. You've got to be willing to fight for your dreams. You've got to be willing to sacrifice, to stay focused, and to keep pushing forward no matter what. Jim Rohn said, "Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better." And that's the mindset you need. Don't wish for a smoother road. Wish for the strength to overcome the obstacles. Don't wish for less challenges. Wish for more resilience. The law of attraction works when you take responsibility for your success. It's about you becoming the person who can attract and handle the opportunities that come your way. Now, I know that life can sometimes seem like an uphill battle. We all face challenges. We all face setbacks. But the key to attracting success is not about avoiding adversity. It's about how you respond to it. When you face challenges, do you see them as obstacles, or do you see them as opportunities to grow? When you encounter failure, do you give up, or do you learn from it and move forward stronger than before? I want you to understand this: failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of the journey to success. Every successful person has failed. Every successful person has faced setbacks, doubts, and struggles. The difference is they didn't let those failures define them. They used them as stepping stones to greatness. They used those failures to build their character, to build their resilience, and to fuel their determination. The key to attracting success with the law of attraction is persistence. It's about not giving up when things get tough. It's about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. It's about continuing to believe in yourself, even when the world doubts you. Because the moment you give up, the moment you stop believing, is the moment you stop attracting success. Jim Rohn once said, "Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day," and that's the truth. Success is not about grand gestures or dramatic changes. It's about doing the small things consistently every single day. It's about showing up, doing the work, and staying focused on your goals. Success is the result of the habits you create and the actions you take every day. So let me ask you, what habits are you creating? What actions are you taking today to move closer to your goals? Are you thinking about success? Are you acting like someone who is already successful? Are you attracting the opportunities and circumstances that will lead you to success? If you want to attract success with the law of attraction, you've got to start thinking and acting like someone who deserves success. You've got to believe in your own potential, take massive action, and persist through the challenges. And when you do that, when you consistently think, act, and believe in your success, that's when you will start attracting the opportunities, the people, and the circumstances that will help you achieve your goals. Remember, this success is not something that happens to you. Success is something you create. And the law of attraction is the key to unlocking that success. So stop waiting. Stop begging for attention. And stop hoping for things to change. Start believing in yourself. Start taking action and start attracting the success you deserve. The world is waiting for you to make your move. Now go out and make it happen.